Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 40. Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. The 8 major endocrine glands. Adrenal cortex, adrenal medulla, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, pancreas islets, Thymus gland, pineal gland, and pituitary gland. Adrenal cortex. This monitors blood sugar levels. It helps in lipid and protein metabolism. Adrenal medulla. Controls cardiac function, raises blood sugar, and controls size of blood vessels. Thyroid gland. Helps regulate metabolism and functions in growth and development. Parathyroid. Regulates calcium levels in blood. Pancreas islets. Raises and lowers blood sugar, active in carbohydrate metabolism. Thymus gland. Plays a role in immune responses. Pineal gland. Has influence on daily biorhythms and sexual activity. Pituitary gland. Plays important role in growth and development, and it is where follicle stimulating hormone comes from. Endocrine functions of the pancreas. 1. cells called islets of Langerhans made up of insulin-producing beta cells, 50 to 80%, and glucagon-releasing alpha cells, produces insulin and glucagon. Insulin controls carbohydrate metabolism by lowering glucose in blood and affects fat metabolism and can change liver's ability to release stored fats. Glucagon control carbohydrates metabolism and has opposite effect of insulin by increasing glucose level, that is the blood sugar levels. Parathyroid glands. They are 4 small glands embedded on the posterior back of thyroid. Where are the thyroid and parathyroid glands located? They are located in the neck, just below the larynx. Functions of the thyroid gland. One, regulate metabolism. 2, functions in growth and development. 3, secretes the hormones thyroxine, triiodothyronine, and calcitonin. What does calcitonin do? It decreases blood calcium by storing calcium in bone tissue. What does thyroxine and triiodothyroxine do? Increase metabolism. The hypothalamus directs the pituitary gland to secrete dash, which stimulates the thyroid gland to release these hormones as needed via a negative feedback mechanism. thyroid stimulating hormone, or what we refer to as TSH. Palathyroid glands secrete dash, which can increase blood calcium by moving calcium from the bones to the blood. Parathyroid hormone. The renal urinary system is capable of eliminating excess substances while preserving the substances needed by the body to function. The urinary system consists of kidneys, urinary ducts, and bladder. The dash, bean-shaped organ attached to the body near the peritoneum. Mammalian kidney. Hello friends, thank you for using human biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.